yeah. Jazz piano chords, bass walks in, a light across the bay. It guides me on my way through every shade of gray. There's a lighthouse standing steady in the distance, far from here. Its beam cuts through the twilight, making everything feel clear. I've been drifting on this ocean, trying hard to find my ground, but the lighthouse keeps on shining. It's the safest thing around. The light won't let me drown. It pulls me back to town. My feet will touch the ground. Lighthouse in the distance, always shining bright, even when the waves are rough and I can't see the light. It reminds me there's a harbor waiting patiently for me here beside the ocean, guided home and free. The shore is getting closer, I can almost see the land. The lighthouse beam is warmer, like it's reaching out its hand. I've been lost in all these waters, chasing things that slip away, but the lighthouse never wavers, it just shows me where to stay. The light is always there, it shows me how to care for the journey, not despair. Lighthouse in the distance, always shining bright, even when the waves are rough and I can't see the light. It reminds me there's a harbor waiting patiently for me here beside the ocean, guided home and free. Maybe home is not a place, it's the light upon your face when you finally find your way. Final chorus, full jazz, on some you wake you home in signal. Light upon your face when you finally find your way. Lighthouse in the distance, I can see it now so clear. The ocean brought me safely through the storm and through the fear. It reminds me there's a harbor deep inside of me. Here beside the ocean, I'm exactly where I need to be. A light across the bay, it guides me on my way. Muffled underwater waves, water movement. Synth pads swirl, fade in. The kelp moves side to side, like dances in the tide. A forest that's alive. I dive beneath the surface to a garden made of green. The kelp forest is swaying like the gentlest dance I've seen. The sunlight filters downward through the water, thick and slow. The forest holds me safely in its underwater glow. The kelp begins to sway in hypnotizing way. I want to always stay. Kelp forest sway, moving with the current flow. The underwater garden is the calmest place I know. Every frond is dancing to a rhythm I can't hear. Here beneath the ocean, everything becomes so clear. The fish weave through the forest like they're part of nature's song. The kelp wraps all around me like it's where I belong. I float between the pillars made of green and golden brown. The ocean's forest holds me up so I will never drown. The current moves me through a world completely new. where everything feels true. Kelp forests sway, moving with the current flow. The underwater garden is the calmest place I know. Every front is dancing to a rhythm I can't hear. Here beneath the ocean, everything becomes so clear. Water sounds intensify, whispers every chance. The current takes this dance. Final chorus, full ethereal underwater sound. Vocal, distant, dreamy. Kelp forests sway, I'm part of something vast. The underwater garden shows me how to hold the past. Every front is teaching me to bend and not to break. Here beneath the ocean, there's no better choice to make. The kelp moves side to side, like dancers in the tide. To muffled waves and water sounds, ocean waves calm, distant bells, guitar arpeggios fading. The moon creates a path across the water's glass. I watch the silver pass. The moon is full and glowing, painting silver on the sea. A pathway made of light extends from ocean straight to me. I stand here on the shoreline, wondering if I should walk across the moonlit water where the universe can talk. The path is shining bright, it calls me through the night to step into the light. Moonpath on water, leading me to dreams. The ocean holds a silver like 1,000 quiet streams. I follow where it's calling, though I don't know where it leads. Here beneath the moonlight, magic's all I need. The night is soft and gentle, like a whisper from above. The moon reflects upon the waves like universal love. I take a step toward the light that's glowing on the tide. The ocean and the moonlight become my faithful guide. The path will take me far beneath the field of stars to show me who we are. Moonpath on water, leading me to dreams. The ocean holds a silver like 1,000 quiet streams. I follow where it's calling, though I don't know where it leads. Here beneath the moonlight, magic's all I need. Bells shimmer, whispers. Maybe magic's always near when the moon and ocean clear, the pathway to what's dear. Final chorus full, gentle, mystical lamentation. Boku ethereal, peaceful. Moonpath on water, I'm walking through the glow. The ocean and the moonlight are teaching what I need to know. I follow where it's calling, my spirit finally freed. Here beneath the moonlight, I have everything I need. The moon creates a path across the water's glass. Heat tonight, waves and bells.